Is there a way for you to pay less for the same flight? Yes. The more you know about the airline ticketing process, the better your chances of getting the best deal available. So how to get cheap flight tickets? Here's what goes into the ticket: base fare, taxes, airport costs, operating costs, seat selection, baggage, administration fees. The price of your airline ticket depends on the following: class, destination, flight date and time, purchase date, seat supply and demand. Airlines use sophisticated computer programs that are constantly monitoring flights in order to analyze booking patterns and evaluate the changing number of seats available. When demand is high, airlines may reduce the number of seats available at their lowest fare or wipe them out altogether. But at low demand, more seats may appear at fare levels that were previously sold out. This process happens continuously until just a few hours before departure. Is it possible to get a cheap last-minute flight? Contrary to the popular belief, airlines won't lower their prices a few days before the departure. It's more profitable for them to sell a few of the remaining seats at premium rates than selling more at the regular prices. Let's say that they sell 100 seats, $500 each. That's $50,000 in revenue. Now, if they sell 80 $500 seats and 20 $900 seats, they get $58,000. And if they sell 70 $500 seats, 20 $900 seats, and 10 $1,500 seats, it's $68,000 for them. That's why, as the departure date approaches, the only available seats just happen to be in the more expensive classes. How do you secure a cheap flight? Search one seat at the time, even if you're with a group. Keep in mind that there might be just 1 or 2 seats left in the lowest fare class, which won't appear on group search. Studies show that you actually save money by booking together your flight, a hotel, and a shuttle to and from. Go for a package. The best day to book. If possible, book 14 to 21 days prior to travel date, and fly at least one leg of your trip on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Saturday. Looking for flights on single airlines may be the easiest, but you may have better results if you look into flying on multiple airlines. Try taking one airline to your destination and a separate one from, or include a layover with another airline mid-flight. Travel alerts often offer amazing prices you wouldn't otherwise be aware of. Airfarewatchdog.com is a website run by people, not a computer, who search for the best deals and send them to your email. Adioso to compare the price of flying into different airports near your destination. Using some great historical pricing tools like Kayak's Price Forecast, you can watch out whether the ticket price for your flight is more likely to rise or fall. And finally, remember that prices are often much lower during off-peak and shoulder season, and that you'll have a great time too. You will avoid crowds while visiting beautiful and popular places, indoors and outdoors. Travel smart, and you will travel at the lowest prices.